and welcome to the Leal Heather Cartoon for Kids. Today's story is about a friendship. A good friend is a blessing from a God. I hope you're going to like this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the Leal Heather Cartoon for Kids. So let's start today's story. And Dole. Two young camels lived in a beautiful desert oasis. The sun was shining and the palm trees swayed gently in the breeze. They loved playing in the soft sand, feeling the warm sun on their backs. Cammy says, Dune, let's explore the desert today. I be there something exciting beyond the oasis. Dune, oh Cammy, but we never been past the dunes. What we got lost? My dunes worries. Cammy was excited and convinced that adventure awaited them. They both packed a few snacks from the oasis and set off towards the tall golden dunes. The wind is whistling as they walked, kicked up the soft desert sand. Cammy, I feel we are going to discover something amazing, dude. As long as there's plenty of water, it will be okay. Cammy says, I am so excited, dude. Are you excited? Journey deeper into the desert. They saw a shimmering light in the distance. It looked like water. Both camels rushed toward it, their feet kicking up the dust. But when they arrived, they found nothing. It was just a mirage, an illusion caused by the desert heat. Dude, I knew it. We can't trust what we see out there, Cammy. Don't worry, dude. We will find real water soon. Don't worry, I'm with you. Dune says, Okay, Cammy. I trust you. When they were beginning to feel tired, they heard a gentle sound, a soft bleating. They looked up to see a desert fox named Zizi, who had been following them. Zizi had a small pouch filled with water and few fruity nuts. Zizi, you too look thirsty. I've been watching over you. You lead energy of the journey ahead. Cammy, thank you. Zizi, you are a true friend and a lifesaver. Zizi says, You're welcome, dear camels. Go with me. I show you a secret place to spend the night. Help Cammy and Dune continued their journey. As the sun began to set, they stumbled upon a hidden cave beneath the dunes. It was cool inside, with the sparkling crystals on the walls and a beautiful view of the desert horizon. Dude, wow, look at a view of desert. This cave's like a home. Yeah, it's magical. We discovered something no one else to have seen. Zizi, see, I say you early. I know the secret place. So I hope you like this. Dole and Sammy satisfied. They discover a magical place morning after a night of rest and fun in the cave. Cammy and Dune decide to return their oasis. They had stories to share and new memories to cherish. Zizi waved them goodbye and promised to visit soon. Cammy, this has been best adventure ever, Dune. And next time, I'm ready for more, even. So goodbye, dear Zizi. We meet you soon. Back at the oasis, Cammy and Dune were welcomed by their families. They told everyone about the hidden cave, the mirage, and how they made a new friend in the desert. The desert wasn't so scary after all, just full of surprises. Wonders, Cammy, the desert is a big place, but it's full of magic if you look closely. Tool, and with a good friend, we can go anywhere And the story goes and Cammy and Dole is ready for the next adventure. So do you?